Hello guys, in this video we will discuss how to blur a video in Canva free version. So first of all, open Canva homepage and then click on the search bar. Type YouTube intro and then click on the YouTube video option. The main purpose of doing so is to create a canvas of 1080 pixels. Now click on the create blank task icon to open a blank canvas. This is a 1080p canvas, and now you need to import a video file which you want to blur. Here I will pick a file from my computer and then add it to the Canva workspace. Just browse for the file and double click on it. Once done, it will appear in the upload file section. Just double click on the file and it will be added to your empty canvas. After adding the file to the canvas, give it a playthrough. Here I will first resize the video to the canvas, since originally it is a 2K video and our canvas is 1080p. Our timeline also appears to be a bit short, so I'll play a video and check if it goes all the way to the end or not. This is just a quick review of the video that you uploaded, so you can find the specific area where you are applying a blur. I just resized the video timeline view for my personal view, and now I'll try to find the point from where I want to apply the blur. Just let this video play once again. You won't have to do it, but I'm doing it because I just need to check the area. And since I only want to blur the profile icon in the top right corner of the video, so I'm just checking from where the profile icon appears in the video. So it appears something around the 4-ish second mark. So I'll keep the marker there and I'll go to click on the elements, type blur and press the enter button. Here you will see graphics, photos and videos. Just click on the see all option next to the graphics. So you will see all the free blur styles listed in the graphics section. Just scroll down and pick one that you need to add to the video. After adding it, you can see the size is very big and we don't need this much as it's a tiny profile corner icon. So just position the blur graphics to the extreme right and then resize it as per your need. Now we know that the icon appears something around the 4.1 second mark, so we'll keep the video preview slider there. Just go on the blur element and then click on the 3 dots. Now click on the show timing option. The show timing option generates an adjustable bar that you can slide to adjust its timing so that you can hide a specific portion of the video from a particular keyframe. We have adjusted this for the desired timing so that whenever you play the video, the profile icon will be hidden behind this blur. Give it few minor tweaks and then just drag the slider once to check if it hides or not. Since the blur option and the graphic that we chose is not extremely dark, so we have to reposition it a little bit to adjust the blur. After that, just play the video once and you will see that our icon is hidden behind the blur. I'm trying to fine tune the blur graphics so that the face is mostly hidden behind the blur graphics. A few tweaks here and there, and now the video blur is ready. Let's check the preview, and here we can see that the blur is working perfectly. You can also adjust its transparency and apply some filters as well. After you are done with this, you can simply click on the share button and then import this video as an MP4 file in the free version. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Do like and share this video with anyone who will find it helpful. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such content.